Okay, so now you're on level 2. I'm actually going to now show you how to make a texture. I've got 3 pictures ready. I've resized them all so they're all the same size. There you go. So what we do is we take your first one. If you promote it to layer, and then you can raise and lower that, but you can't change properties because that's not going to make any difference, as you can see. Right, so then we'll put this one over the top, copy that, and paste as a new layer, and then do the same again. You can add as many layers as you want, edit and paste as a new layer. There you go. To look at the layers that you're going to be using, you can click that, which makes the top one invisible, and then same with the bottom, and actually click on layer 2. So we're going to cut a bit out, so we'll make a box and then edit and cut. That won't look quite like that in a minute, so do it again, edit and cut, and then select none. So then go back onto your layer palette and click those so you're visible again. Go to the top and then start playing with your opacities like that. As you can see. And then you can also change the layer properties. And keep playing until you get the effect that you want. You can also cut bits out on the top layer. So get your selection tool, but this time I'm going to go circular. And do the same again. Edit. And cut. Edit. And though you could also use your eraser. So you see I've made a circle. And then 50% opacity, and just it will only erase a circle, so you can see. And if you keep, it'll do it 100%, but you know. So we'll do another one, select none, and then use your selection tool again and erase again. And select none. Right, then if we raise up that, that's what we've got. I'm going to lower that slightly so you can see the square ones. And then when you're finished, merge flatten. That's quite a rough texture, but this is when you get more advanced. I'm going to actually show you we can really change it by using filters. So I'm going to use Virtual Photographer, go down to colour and keep flicking through until you find quite like that one. So click that, see, that's quite a nice effect. So edit and copy, redo your effect, edit and paste as a new layer, and then you can play with your opacity on that, play with your layer properties, and there you go. Merge or flatten, edit and copy again, effects, let's have a look, let's use 0 and we'll try radiance. Now I use random on this, I'll let it choose one until I get to one I like, and then edit and paste as new layer again, and play with your opacity and your properties until you find something that you like that. But we'll go with darken, quite like darken how that looks. and then merge flatten, and there you go, that's a texture made.